A local special needs school says it has not had one outbreak at any of its locations and says that's because of its protocols, including cleaning. And school leaders say if they can do it, others can too. All new at 5, Channel 9's Shannon Butler walks through the school with the cleaning company and staff to see what is keeping COVID there at bay.
Breakthrough Behavior has 7 schools in 3 states. The facilities have been open during the pandemic because the staff felt they had to be. COVID-19 had already disrupted so much for their students.
Kids with special needs thrive on routine.
And in all this time, Maegen Pierce says they haven't had one case of coronavirus at any of those schools. And she says that has to do with their procedures. And a lot of the success, she thinks, has to do with the strict protocols on cleaning. Pierce's facility is fogged every night by a company that specializes in this kind of cleaning. They walked us through the process.
It's like a fogger machine, but it sends an electrostatic charge. For instance, if and especially all the high-touch areas that we need to, everybody's touching these knobs.
This system Anago uses, they say, sticks to all the surfaces, including desks and toys and even to the walls. And it kills the bacteria in about 30 seconds. But during the day, the staff also wipes down the surfaces, and sometimes that means every hour. That, along with social distancing and wearing masks, has kept the schools open and their staff and patients healthy. And that's a huge relief to the parents.
The last thing that we want parents worrying about when they send their children into our care is whether their child is going to get COVID.
In Orlando, Shannon Butler, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.